everybody, it's me, Miss You, and now we're going to be creating the follower guide. Open up a new part and or a new tab, and we are going to, you go to Part Studio or the plus sign, and we're going to go to the front view. Go to the front view. Once you're in the front view, we're going to be creating the profile, and then we're going to revolve it. So we're going to go to Sketch, and we're going to go to Line Draw, and we're going to create what kind of looks to our eye like the profile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this looks a little bit off, so we're going to add a few constraints. I know this line and that line are perpendicular. I also know this line and that line are perpendicular, and this line and that line need to be perpendicular. Okay, now let's create some dimensions. So from top to bottom, it is 1.1875. 1.1875 inches. Okay. I know that the top part and the bottom part are a quarter. If they're really a half, but you only get the half once we revolve. Okay. And the width is 0.875, and of course we're dividing by 2. So let's go from here to here is 0.875, and we are dividing by 2. Okay, and this looks pretty close. What are we missing? The distance over here and that tiny neck part is 0.1875. And everything looks dimensioned. Excellent. Okay. Next, we're going to revolve it. So I'm going to hit revolve. I'm going to select the face. Now I'm going to hit the red revolve axis. And I'm going to select the revolve axis. And it looks pretty much like what it looks like in the picture. And the next step is we need to extrude a spot where the 0.1875 follower goes. I believe that's what it is. So I'm going to go isometric. I'm going to select the top. I'm going to go to Sketch. And I'm going to go center square. First, I'm going to actually go to the top, let it look head on. I did center square, so it's pretty easy to make a square. Now we're going to add the dimensions. Now we do not want angles. We know it's 90 degrees. And this dimension, we're going to call it 0.1875. But because of tolerances, I think I'm going to make it slightly bigger, and I'm going to call it 8.5. I'm not sure if that's going to make any difference, but I want to make sure it doesn't get stuck. So maybe I'll do 9.5. There I go, 1895. And I'm going to do the top part. Right. There we go. Our drawing is done. And now we're going to extrude it. We're going to select the space to be extruded. We're going to remove, and we're going to go through all. Let me go check, and let me go isometric, and it looks like our follower guide is done.